Penalties. Introduction. Penalties under the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 were significantly increased to improve road safety and ensure strict compliance with traffic laws. Under the old Motor Vehicles Act 1988, penalties were very low and failed to deter violations. The 2019 amendment introduced heavier fines, stricter punishments, and accountability to reduce accidents. Penalties play a crucial role in enforcing discipline on roads. This topic is frequently asked in LLB examinations. Objective of enhanced penalties. The main objectives of increasing penalties are to deter rash and negligent driving, to reduce road accidents and fatalities, to promote responsible driving behavior, to ensure respect for traffic laws. Higher penalties create fear of law and improve compliance. Major traffic offenses and penalties. Driving without license. Driving a motor vehicle without a valid driving license is a serious offense. The Act imposes heavy fines to discourage untrained drivers. This provision ensures that only qualified persons drive vehicles. Penalty includes a higher monetary fine and possible disqualification from driving. Driving without insurance. Third-party insurance is compulsory under the Act. Driving without valid insurance exposes victims to hardship. The Act imposes strict penalties to ensure insurance compliance. Penalty includes fine and possible imprisonment. Drunk driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs is a major cause of accidents. The Act provides stringent punishment to curb this offense. Blood alcohol limits are strictly enforced. Penalty includes heavy fine and imprisonment. Overspeeding. Overspeeding endangers lives of drivers and pedestrians. The Act categorizes overspeeding based on vehicle type. Higher fines discourage reckless speeding. Penalty includes monetary fine and license suspension in repeated cases. Dangerous driving. Dangerous driving includes racing, using mobile phones while driving, and reckless behavior. The Act treats such conduct as a serious offense. Penalty includes heavy fine and imprisonment. Not wearing helmet or seat belt. Safety gear is mandatory for protection of drivers and passengers. Non-compliance increases risk of injury. Penalty includes fine and possible license disqualification. Juvenile offenses. If a juvenile commits a traffic offense, liability is fixed on the guardian or vehicle owner. This discourages underage driving and enforces parental responsibility. Penalty includes fine and cancellation of vehicle registration. Hit-and-run offenses. Leaving the accident spot without helping the victim is treated seriously. The Act strengthens punishment to promote humanitarian conduct. Penalty includes imprisonment and fine. Penalty points system. The Act empowers authorities to record traffic violations electronically. Repeated offenses may lead to suspension or cancellation of driving license. This ensures long-term discipline. Role of technology in enforcement. The Act allows use of CCTV cameras, speed detectors, and electronic challenges. Penalties may be imposed based on electronic evidence. This reduces corruption and improves transparency. Conclusion. Penalties under the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act 2019 represent a shift from lenient regulation to strict enforcement. By imposing higher fines and punishments, the law aims to reduce accidents and save lives. Penalties act as a strong deterrent and promote road discipline. Understanding penalty provisions is essential for LLB examinations and practical knowledge of motor vehicle law.